In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics 4 with GoHighLevel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to leverage these tools for insightful data tracking and analysis. Let's get started by setting up your Google Analytics 4 account. First, head over to analyticsgoogle.com. Once you're logged into your account, look to the bottom left of your screen and click on the admin gear icon. This is where the magic begins. We're going to create a new property, which will serve as your data hub. Click on Create Property. And you'll need to give this property a name, something recognizable related to your business or website. Next, you'll select your time zone and currency. Make sure these are accurate for precise reporting. After that, proceed to fill in your business details, such as industry category and business size. Then click Create. Now you're moving on to selecting the platform. Since we're focusing on web tracking, choose Web when prompted. Enter your funnel or website URL along with a stream name that best identifies this source of data. Then click on Create Stream. Let's move on to gathering your GA4 tracking tag. Go back to your Google Analytics account. Navigate again to Admin, where you'll click on Account Settings, then to Data Stream. Here you'll select the data stream you just created. Once it's selected, you'll want to copy the measurement ID associated with your data stream. This ID is crucial as it acts like a phone number, allowing Google Analytics to communicate with your website. Continue by clicking View Tag Instructions. Then make sure to select the Install Manually tab. At this point, you'll see a full script tag code. You'll want to copy this entire block of code carefully for the next step. Now let's integrate this with GoHighLevel. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to the Funnels and Websites section and open up the funnel or website you're working with. In the top right corner, you'll see a Settings option. Click that. You'll find a box labeled Head Tracking Code. This is where you'll paste the GA4 script you just copied. Make sure to save your changes before leaving the page. If you're working with the website instead, head over to the Websites section, then to Settings, and paste the code in the head code box there. Finally, let's verify that everything is set up correctly and tracking. Open your GoHighLevel funnel page in a browser tab. Then go back to Google Analytics and navigate to the Reports section, followed by Real Time. You should see an active user which confirms that your tracking is live and functioning as expected. For an additional layer of troubleshooting, you can use the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension, which can help ensure everything is connected and running smoothly. And there you have it. You are now equipped to use Google Analytics 4 with GoHighLevel, enabling you to track user interactions effectively. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.